Hello friends, welcome to my channel Zero to Confidence English. So here I am Geeta. So today's my topic, how to speak from day one speak in English. So first of all, I would tell you my story how I started speaking in English. So I chose for speaking my daughter, not intentionally. What happened when she was 2.5 year old, then I started speak with her in English. That time I was also not able to speak in English. I just used to broken English, just like if I'm going with her and for walk in a street and going to market. That time I used don't go there, come here, listen to me. As confidently I'm speaking in front of camera and talk to you. Even I was not able to that much confident that time to speak two words, but right now I am able to speak. So before that, I never spoke with anyone. But I don't know, that time she was my partner and why I start with her. But just uh, for how to say, just for curiosity. I was curious to talk with her in English, I think. Because that time I was mother. Before that, I was just a single person. But after being a mother, it was like a responsibility for me to teach to her. Because when you are educated and definitely you will try to teach your kids. So I think that thought came in my mind, and I started talk with her. And what happened when I go with her for walk in a street? So suddenly now when I want to speak in full sentence, then I stuck. I felt shy, embarrassed sometimes. Not I was feeling embarrassed because there is no one to judge me, because no one is speaking in my area speaking English. Even they, I would say, they think why I speak in English with my daughter. So yes, I was telling you ki, yes, I was able to speak two sentence, but I stuck. I used to stuck while making full sentence. I uh, talk to talk to her in full sentence. Suppose that if I have to say, if you will go there, then I will not permission to again to come outside. So the and this kind of sentence I was not able to speak. And then one day came in my mind, if I can speak my daughter two sentence, so I should work on my English. And slowly and gradually then I worked on my English speaking. First I work on my grammar. Then I thought how many days I will learn when I will speak, because I have to speak with my daughter. And she was, I think, fortunate for me. She is she got like a partner for me, because we are not able to, because of we are not getting environment, and people judge to us when we talk to like intermediate person or our friends. So luck by chance I got a partner, and she was my daughter. And from that point I started my journey. So you can also speak like this. You can make partner to in your home. You can choose, you can find your partner in your home who will not to judge you, those who can't judge you. So you can easily take out your fear and because you are starting your speaking from day one. So what happened when we start from day one? So first we hesitate, feel shy, words do not come from our mouth. So first we need to make environment where no one can judge us. In my case, it was a natural, but from that natural case, I learned how I am able to speak in English, make sentence, convey my message to another person. So you can also speak, but if you feel shy, if you feel introvert, so you need to make environment in your home, because what happened when you try to speak to another person on call, they will speak to you only 5 minutes, and they will say, give excuse, I'm busy, and blah blah. But yes, what happened, uh, self practice is most important for speaking English day one. So yes, if you will speak, you will open your mouth, you will make environment at home, those can't know not just to you. Definitely you can start your speaking English journey from day one, and slowly and gradually you can change your path. You can make friends to speak in English, you can join WhatsApp group, and for now you can use this uh, process to speak in English from day one. So from today, now I will say, uh, I will wrap this conversation video, and we will meet next time. Till then, bye bye and take care.